Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we continue our guide and show you how to master dipping sauces, cooking times, and tips for a perfect hot pot experience. Ordering well is like building a playlist. You want variety, rich and light, crunchy and soft, quick bites and slow soakers. The spicy broth does a lot of work, so simple ingredients shine. A helpful rule. Thin items cook in seconds, thicker items take minutes. If you're unsure, cook a test piece first. Proteins that shine in spicy broth. Thin sliced meats are the hot pot classics because they cook fast and stay tender. Thin sliced beef or lamb, swish in the broth 10 to 20 seconds, just until it turns opaque. Fatty beef slices, richer, silkier, and great in very spicy broth because fat softens the burn. Pork belly, a bit longer than beef, about 30 to 60 seconds depending on thickness. Shrimp, usually 1 to 2 minutes, until firm and pink. Fish fillets, tender and mild, often 2 to 3 minutes. Fish balls, bouncy and savory, usually 3 to 5 minutes. Safety note. Chicken and thicker cuts need to cook fully. Keep them in the pot until there's no pink and the center is hot. Feeling adventurous. Sichuan Hot Pot often includes offal light tripe, crunchy and great with garlic sauce, and duck intestines, springy and quick cooking. If that's not your thing, skip it. You won't miss out. Vegetables, tofu, and mushrooms that soak up flavor. Vegetables bring balance and give your mouth a break from meat and oil. They also act like little sponges for broth. Napa cabbage and leafy greens, sweet and soft, cook fast, about 30 to 60 seconds. Add them later so they don't melt away. Lettuce stems, crisp and refreshing, about 1 to 2 minutes. Potato slices and lotus root, starchy and satisfying, about 3 to 5 minutes. Bamboo shoots, mild, lightly crunchy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Enoki and shiitake mushrooms, earthy and fragrant, about 1 to 3 minutes. For spice-sensitive eaters, tofu skin, yuba, and mushrooms are friendly picks. They carry flavor without adding heat, and they taste great dipped in sesame-based sauce. Firm tofu and konjac also work well when you want something filling but mild. Noodles and starches that make it feel like a full meal. If the broth is intense, starch is your best friend. Noodles and rice cakes mellow the heat and make the meal feel complete. Sweet potato noodles, chewy and slippery, about 3 to 6 minutes. Wide glass noodles, soak up broth, about 4 to 7 minutes. Fresh wheat noodles, comforting, about 2 to 4 minutes. Rice cakes, chewy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Tip. Add noodles near the end. They can overcook, break apart, and make the broth cloudy if they sit too long. Dipping sauces, the DIY flavor control station. The sauce bar is where you take control. Typical options include sesame paste, minced garlic, cilantro, scallions, soy sauce, black vinegar, oyster sauce, chili oil, and crushed peanuts. 2 easy sauce mixes. Creamy, cooling sesame sauce, sesame paste, lots of garlic, cilantro, a small splash of black vinegar, plus a spoon of broth to thin it out. Bright, tangy sauce, soy sauce, black vinegar, scallions, cilantro, optional peanuts for crunch. Dipping helps because it cools and coats each bite, so the heat feels less sharp. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.